Finding an interior designer who truly gets your style and needs can feel overwhelming. But Decorilla has a smart way to make that match effortless and spot on. Let's explore how this personalized process works. It all starts with your style and project details, from a fun style quiz to setting your budget and goals. Then, two designers are chosen to offer fresh ideas, letting you compare and pick the perfect fit before collaboration begins. Decorilla combines AI technology with expert human review to handpick designers who align with your style, budget, and project goals. This high-tech approach and careful matching guarantee a confident and satisfying partnership that keeps the projects precise and personalized. Finding the perfect designer is more than luck. It's a thoughtful, tech-savvy, and human-centered process that makes your dream space possible. Decorilla's designer matching process is well-structured and highly accurate. Start your project today by taking our freestyle quiz in the description and get matched with your ideal designer.